हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और घंटी के निशान को जरूर दबाएं।
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am brushing my teeth.
What are you doing?
I am doing yoga, Sunny.
Where are you going, Rahul?
I am going to take a shower.
What are you doing, Aswini?
I am making tea.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am worshipping God.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am making tea.
What are you doing, Mama?
I am kneading dough.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am reading newspaper.
What are you doing, Aswini?
I am cutting leafy vegetables.
Oh.
I am kneading dough.
What are you doing, Papa?
I am cutting vegetable.
What are you doing, Papa?
I am cooking food.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am eating my breakfast.
What are you doing, Papa?
I am eating fruit.
What are you doing?
Nothing, I am free. Do you want anything?
No.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am taking my tea.
What are you doing, Bhupesh?
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am reading newspaper.
Where are you going?
I am going to office.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am watching TV.
What are you doing, Aswini?
I am cooking food.
Do fast, I am getting late.
Okay.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am listening music.
What are you doing, my dear husband?
I am eating orange, my dear wife.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am eating my lunch.
What are you doing?
I am reading book.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am studying.
What are you doing, Bhuna?
I am doing my homework.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am writing my homework.
What are you doing?
I am doing my homework.
What are you doing, Laddu? I am doing my project work.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am playing badminton.
What are you doing, Rahul?
I am repairing my bike.
What are you doing?
I am going to my home.
What are you doing?
I am repairing my bike.